Hey there, y'all. It's time for another quick and easy meal attempt. We're gonna use some Trader Joe's yummy squiggly noodles. We got some Trader Joe's yummy crunchy chili onion. And instead of peanut butter, I'm gonna try my PB2 because it's laying around. I haven't used it in a while, and let's see if it works. Okay, the noodles have cooked 4 minutes and been drained. And here's the yummy sauce that comes with them. Yum. Now if you're just eating the noodles, the squiggly noodles, you may want to spice them up a little bit because that can be a little bland if you like spicy. Yum, crunchy noodles. Did I just say noodles? They're onions, crunchy onions. Anyway, PB2, let's throw a spoonful of that in. Okay. I bought this when I was on the last time I was on a diet. This isn't easy to do with one hand. Let me finish my story, then I'll stir. So the PB2 I bought when I was making my shakes, shakes for like 4 meals a day, and it helped give it the shake some flavor. And I don't make the shake powder anymore, and I on a different kind of diet voyage at the moment. Anyway, let's stir this and see what happens. Okay, that was easier with a fork and 2 hands. Looky there. Yum. Let's give it a taste. Wow, that's actually a lot better than I expected. You've got the little bit of spice from the crunchy onions, and got a little bit of peanut butter flavor from the PB2. Then peanut butter, real peanut butter would probably give it a little more peanut taste. Plus the soy, what kind of sauce? Soy sesame sauce that came with the noodles. This is a really good combination. It's a thumbs up, yeah. Okay, I lost my something. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.